Visa Master, a Chrome extension for Schengen visa applicants. TLScontact appointment slots disappear in seconds. Manual refresh is a lottery, and you can lose months waiting for the next release window. Visa Master watches your TLScontact tab for you. Polite cadence, desktop and phone alerts, 100% local on the free tier. Free for slot notifications, £0 forever. Or upgrade to premium for auto booking on your behalf, billed only on a successful booking. Pick your visa center. Choose your polling cadence. Smart Mode learns when TLScontact typically releases new slots and polls more often during those windows. Polls every 2 to 15 minutes. No servers contacted, no telemetry, no DOM data sent anywhere. Your credentials never leave the browser. On Premium, encrypted with a key only your install holds. The second a slot opens, desktop notification, optional sound, optional Telegram push to your phone. You can be on the booking page in under 10 seconds. Install free from the Chrome Web Store. Premium charges £19 only on a successful booking with a 24-hour refund window. No subscription ever. Source on GitHub. Stop refreshing TLScontact. Visa Master does it for you. Built in London.